Hello, I'm Dr. Jonathon Cohen, a hematologist at Emory University's Winship Cancer Institute, and I'm happy to share a little bit about PrE0404, which is a phase 2 trial of Ibrutinib and Ixazomib in patients with relapsed mantle cell lymphoma. This is a study that is currently available for patients with relapsed or refractory mantle cell lymphoma. They have to be BTK inhibitor naive, but otherwise, as long as they've received one prior line of therapy, they would otherwise be eligible for this trial. This is a study that really seeks to build upon the known efficacy of patients who receive BTK inhibitor monotherapy. Unfortunately, however, we know that those patients ultimately do progress in most cases. By combining Ixazomib, which is an oral proteasome inhibitor that we know is active in patients with mantle cell lymphoma, we are hoping that we can deepen those responses and prolong those responses. Patients are eligible for this trial as long as they have relapsed mantle cell lymphoma. There are some laboratory requirements, and they have to be able to obtain Ibrutinib. In addition, patients who are felt to be ineligible for Ibrutinib due to other comorbidities would not be eligible for this study. I think that this is an important study to consider for any patients where you're thinking about using a BTK inhibitor. We know that single-agent BTK inhibitor is quite effective, but unfortunately, after about 18 to 24 months, most patients will start to progress. And again, our goal is to try to limit those early progressions and hopefully deepen responses. As a result, I do think that this is a study that could ultimately impact patient care by identifying a safe and effective combination partner for BTK inhibition. And so this is why I think it's important for people to keep this study in mind, and we'd love to have you consider your patients for this trial. Patients are able to stay on study as long as they are tolerating therapy. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please contact the PrECog team.